So how about you? One thing our kitchen always needs is an air fryer. Once you use this a day, you're not going to want to use anything else. Air fryers are absolutely awesome, and we love them here in this house. Now ours was getting old, so we decided to get a new one, and we just got this new one here from Chefman. This is a multi-functional digital air fryer, as you see here, and this is the large one. Actually, this is a 12-quart size one, and this is a 5-in-1 appliance, as you can see here. It can air fry, it can bake, you do rotisserie cooking, and has 12 convenient cooking presets, which is pretty cool. Has easy operation, has a new high fry button, which is extra crispy when you're looking for crispy fries and different things like that. So Chefman is a brand that I trust. I'd used it before, and I'm looking forward to use this. It actually cooks 3 times faster than a normal oven, so that's always good. And I tell you what, when it's hot in the summer, I like it that it doesn't have to heat the house, so you can actually cook things with the air fryer and not have to worry about doing an oven. So we go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like once you get out of the box and how we use this. Alright, here's what it looks like out of the box. I got it plugged in there, took all the plastic off, and look how nice this is and how big it is. It's going to be perfect. It comes with your user guide right here. All the instructions are in there. It has the quick start guide right here. Of course, you have your pieces here for your rotisserie chicken. It also comes with a free cookbook. Check that out. A free cookbook here just for purchasing it. So that's pretty neat. So from the inside here, it's nice and big. You have your catch-all thing down here. You can put some there. You pull this out and clean it out as you need it. The others removable drawers as well, so you can put them at different levels. You can put this down one more if you want. You can take them out. Of course, all these will come out when you're making a rotisserie chicken, and so you have a lot of different options with that. It's easy cleaning. You can take this door right off, clean it as needed. So all this comes out. And then as far as the oven itself, you'll see that you have a lot of options. So you have your meat preset, chicken, fish, your fries, so you can have that for crispy. You can also do the extra crispy, which is really cool. And you have your veggies presets. All that actually, you see it changes the temperature based on what it is that you're putting in there. It gives you 30 minutes for chicken. Here your fish is saying 10 minutes 350, so that's pretty cool to have all that. You have bake options as well. We have your cake, chicken, fish and veggies, and then you also have your dehydrate option here for your veggies, fruits, and jerkies. Again, everything's covered in the manual. Check it out, and then you can do it. If you just want to do something yourself, you can always just mainly change this here with the minutes, where you can change the temperature there. Totally up to you what you want to do, and then you start and let it go. You have your light in there, so the light comes on, as you can see in there, and then of course we turn it off and on as needed. So for the sound, if you want to hear it, if you don't want to hear it, you could do that as well. So pretty cool. So we go ahead and stick something in here. I'm going to actually bake something really fast, heat something up, and let's see how well it does. Alright, so here's my chimichanga leftover from last night's dinner, and I'm going to heat it up here in the air fryer instead of using the microwave. And so I'm going to take this out here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this top shelf off since I really don't need it, and we're going to use the middle shelf. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on that first shelf. Got it in now, so I'm going to push that in. We're going to close that up, and let's start this up here. So for reheating, you can put it, I like to do it manually. It probably needs about 8 minutes. So I keep it at 400. We drop this down to 8 minutes, and then we're going to start this up here. And there we go. So you see it's countdown from 8 minutes. It's at 400, and the light comes on. You can see it in there, and we can watch it cook. So let me go ahead and wait for this to heat up, and we'll see what it looks like after it's all done. Okay, I've just stopped there. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what we got here. So we open it up, and let's pull this out. Again, that was for 8 minutes. Halfway through, it did say flip it, but I just didn't flip it because I didn't want to flip this over. And look at that. It looks really good. It is toasted up there, so it's going to be healthier than doing it in the microwave. In 8 minutes, I had this nice and hot now, and even toasted up my cheese, so that's going to be an awesome lunch. It's going to be delicious. So, and look how nice and clean it is. It didn't even drop anything. Everything's clean in there, and it was really nice and really fast. So I like this, and I'm really going to enjoy using this air fryer for sure. So as I said before, super cool. I don't think you can get by without one of these air fryers. I absolutely want you to use it. You're going to love it. It's so much healthier than use oil. You don't have to worry about that. It can cook fresh and frozen vegetables. You get golden and crispy food. You don't have to worry about doing oil, like I said, but if it is versatile, so many different functions in one appliance, and you have the 12 presets already in there as well, and you can even do rotisserie chicken, which is super, super cool. So check it out. Again, and I think once you start using this, you're going to love it, and you're not going to want to use any other oven or air fryer or oil fryer again. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this review, and you get great use of this product.